this episode of Mommy Sea Star. So I have a cold like everyone else in the whole world right now. And last night I was reading to my son and I had like a major cough attack. It was so horrible and it was poking me right here and I just couldn't stop coughing. But the necessity was mother of invention. So I remembered an idea I had to stop a cough. And it really worked immediately, so I'm going to show it to you today. Excuse me, for this recipe, you're going to need hot water, cough drop, cinnamon, honey, and lemon. And I put the hot water in the teapot because I don't want to booger up my teapot, so I'm going to pour the hot water in my mug right here, in the mug. Alright.
The boiling water warms the throat and dilutes the mixture. Here are the other ingredients you'll need. The cough drop contains menthol. It's very cooling, gives you instant relief. The cinnamon can reduce inflammation, contains powerful antioxidants, and may even protect against viruses. The honey coats the throat and soothes it. It's also rich in antioxidants and it's a natural cough suppressant. The lemon juice contains vitamin C, which supports the immune system. And I think this mixture tastes pretty nice actually.
Country song. Let's fold the pieces together. Mix it all in and let that cough drop seep in to the hot water.